Churchill Group welcomes Principal into its group of specialist businesses. Like, comment and subscribe for all the latest on our new videos. Churchill Group has welcomed London-based specialist commercial cleaning provider Principal into its group of businesses. Principal will merge with Churchill's portfolio brand. The Principal brand will continue to operate under its world-recognized identity, while portfolio will transition into it over the coming months. The deal brings together the second and fifth largest employee ownership trusts, EOTs, in the UK, uniting two organisations with deeply aligned, people-first workplace cultures. The integration combines Principal's 37 years of experience managing London's landmark buildings with Churchill's specialist resources, simplifying and strengthening their capability in the capital. Clients will benefit from a unified, enhanced service offering backed by increased investment in sustainable cleaning solutions, technology, and community-led initiatives. Both employee-owned businesses remain focused on empowering teams, building long-term partnerships, and delivering positive social value for responsible operations. James Bradley, Group CEO of Churchill Group, said, "Principal has been a respected name in our sector for decades. Bringing Principal into our employee-owned group means we can create even greater opportunity for our teams and deliver an even stronger specialist service for our clients for the long term." Douglas Cook, Executive Chairman at Principal Cleaning, said, "Building Principal over the past 37 years has been an immense privilege. As we looked to the future, finding the right home for Principal mattered deeply." To learn more, read the full article in our Workplace Services category. Read more at TWinFM.com.